Thank you for asking for the part of integration and how it's working different scopes for Google, Microsoft, and something else. Okay, yeah, for now you can log in with different providers with username and password, or with different providers such as Google, Microsoft, and something else. Now I'm enter in the app using username and password. Okay, and now you can go here in the part of settings. You can change also the language. Okay, you can go in the integrations. Okay, and here you have the possibility to go to integrate different providers in this app of Akaion. For example, with Google, okay, you have the possibility to link an account such as this one, okay, and grant different access. Okay. Okay, you have different access that you granted to this app. Okay, and now you can continue. Okay, and it's linked. Okay, you have a notification here that your account is connected. Okay, after that you can go to our second brain. Okay, here you can see how it works. Okay, otherwise you can come back and skip this. Okay, after that you can go here, okay, in the page of integrations. Okay, and you see that we have two different integration that are activated. Okay, and now you can go, for example, to Gmail. Okay, and here you can configure different rules. Okay, for your account. Okay, you can create a new synchronization rule, and for example, I can add a rule that it's called I don't know, for example, it's like could be something that, I don't know, Akaion, okay, from my inbox, okay, on from all my email. Okay, and here you can select some different patterns, I don't know, from Akaion. Okay, here you have the possibility to select particular a particular author organization, okay, of your email, okay, or not in automatically. Here you can do a preview of the different things. Okay, and here you can see that you have the possibility to see the different email that match this rule. Okay, here there's, sorry, a small issue. Okay, and you can save the rule. Okay, for example, I said, okay, it's okay for me, and so I can save this rule. Okay, in this moment I don't want to auto reorganize my email immediately. Okay, but if I sync rule, okay, I see that it's this synchronization rule is created. Okay, and now I can click here, okay, to synchronize the different rule. Okay, if I go here, I see that I have the different email that are synchronized here in my Akaion app. Okay, and for example, I can see that I have the different email, and I can go directly from here to Gmail. Okay, to check some things. Okay. After that, you can see that we have the possibility to go here in our second brain and see that I have 10 messages that are unprocessed. Okay, because now these email are unprocessed. Okay, and I can see, I don't know, I want to remember that I need to finish this verification with Google. Okay, and I can create a new cluster, and I see, I don't know, Akaion development issues, and so I can create it. Okay, and this message is assigned to a new cluster. It's called Akaion development issues. Okay, and I see that I have the different this email here, and I can remember and drag immediately this one, this message, and this in general this cluster directly in my second brain, from my second brain to my calendar. Okay, and because I can easily do these things, okay, from my mail, okay, to my calendar, okay. And so the point is, here I can see that I dragged a message that arrived from email directly in my calendar, okay. For the part of Drive, I can see the same things because I can configure rules. Now there's no Drive account connected. It's only small issues. Okay, but the point is the same one. Okay, you can synchronize the different rules in a Drive. Okay, and after that you can easily link different files, okay, from Drive to Akaion, okay, and then you can use it in different ways, okay, from selecting and importing a particular events in calendar from to, I don't know, for example, you can use it for our part of AI agents, okay, that actually it's only in development, and you can use it for the part of link different files in Google Drive, and in the meanwhile you can use it for the first file. It's like it's you can use it for the elaboration, okay, of this file for another, for example, document, okay. So if you have other question, let me know, and I'm here to help you, okay. And thank you for watching, and let me know. Bye.